Embrace the charm of rustic living with a backyard pool that feels like a hidden gem in the wilderness. Picture a naturalistic pool with a pebble finish nestled amidst boulders, rocks, and native vegetation as if it were carved by nature itself. Nearby, a wood-fired hot tub or sauna beckons with promises of warmth and relaxation, inviting you to unwind after a refreshing dip in the cool water. This isn't just a backyard pool, it's a retreat into nature's embrace, where every element whispers tales of rugged beauty and every moment is an escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Welcome to your rustic haven. Embark on a journey of tranquility with a backyard pool that harmonizes effortlessly with its woodland surroundings. Imagine a serene oasis nestled amidst verdant foliage, where the pool's design seamlessly blends into the natural landscape, as if it were always meant to be there. Sun-dappled pathways meander through lush greenery, inviting exploration and discovery, while leading to a secluded poolside seating area. Here, plush cushions beckon you to unwind and relax, basking in the gentle glow of soft lighting that illuminates intimate gatherings beneath the canopy of trees. This isn't just a pool, it's a sanctuary of peace and serenity, where nature's beauty envelopes you in its embrace. Welcome to your Woodland Haven. Immerse yourself in urban sophistication with a backyard pool that's all about maximizing space and style. Picture a sleek lap pool or plunge pool, compact yet chic, nestled amidst a modern deck adorned with built-in seating and planters. Vertical gardens or green walls rise up, providing both privacy and a burst of greenery in the heart of the cityscape. Amidst the hustle and bustle, this urban oasis offers a serene retreat where you can escape the chaos and unwind in tranquility. This isn't just a backyard, it's a sanctuary in the midst of the urban jungle, where every dip in the pool is a refreshing escape and every moment is a celebration of modern living. Welcome to your urban paradise. Immerse yourself in the enchanting beauty of a woodland oasis with a backyard pool that feels like a hidden gem nestled among the trees. Picture a naturalistic pool, its tranquil waters reflecting the lush greenery that surrounds it, ferns, moss, and woodland flowers adding bursts of color and texture to the landscape. Meandering stone pathways wind their way through the forest, leading you to this serene sanctuary, where the only sounds are the gentle rustle of leaves and the soft gurgle of water. This isn't just a backyard pool, it's a magical retreat where nature's beauty unfolds at every turn, and every moment is an invitation to reconnect with the earth. Welcome to your woodland paradise. Transport yourself to paradise with a tropical backyard pool that's straight out of a postcard. Imagine a free-form oasis enveloped by lush landscaping, where palm trees sway gently in the breeze and vibrant flowers paint the landscape in a riot of color. A waterfall cascades into the pool, its rhythmic melody creating a symphony of serenity as you bask in the warmth of the sun. And when it's time to cool off, seek refuge in a thatched roof cabana where shade and shelter await, inviting you to linger and savor the beauty that surrounds you. This isn't just a pool, it's a tropical escape where every moment feels like a slice of paradise. Welcome to your own private Eden. Step into luxury with a contemporary backyard pool that's as chic as it is inviting. Picture a custom-shaped pool with sleek curved edges and organic shapes, where water features like fountains and waterfalls dance in harmony with the surroundings. A sleek deck extends around the pool, boasting built-in seating and fire features that invite you to linger long into the evening, whether you're entertaining guests or simply unwinding in style. This isn't just a backyard pool, it's a sophisticated outdoor oasis where every detail is designed to elevate your experience, from the sleek lines of the pool to the warmth of the firelight. Welcome to your contemporary paradise. Indulge in the epitome of luxury with a resort-style backyard pool that transports you to paradise. Imagine an infinity-edge pool, its crystal-clear waters seemingly merging with the horizon, offering breathtaking vistas of the surrounding landscape or the nearby ocean. Lounge in style on a sun shelf, where submerged loungers invite you to soak up the sun in blissful relaxation. And when it's time to seek shade, retreat to a poolside cabana, where plush seating beckons for hours of outdoor lounging in ultimate comfort. This isn't just a backyard pool, it's a private sanctuary where every moment is a celebration of opulence and serenity. Welcome to your own personal paradise. Step into serenity with a backyard pool that embodies modern minimalism at its finest. Picture a sleek rectangular pool, its clean lines reflecting the essence of contemporary design. Surrounding it, a narrow deck boasts minimalist lounge chairs and umbrellas, inviting you to unwind in style. Along the perimeter, a row of tall grasses or bamboo plants offers privacy and softens the starkness of the modern aesthetic, creating a tranquil oasis amidst the urban landscape. This isn't just a backyard pool, it's a symphony of simplicity and sophistication, where every detail is thoughtfully curated to evoke a sense of calm and harmony. Welcome to your minimalist retreat. Step into the enchanting allure of a Mediterranean retreat with a backyard pool that exudes timeless elegance. Picture a classic rectangular pool, its edges adorned with terracotta tile coping and intricate mosaic tile accents, reminiscent of ancient Roman baths. Nearby, a pergola draped in lush grapevines casts dappled shade over a charming dining area. Here, a rustic farmhouse table, surrounded by wrought iron chairs, invites you to indulge in al fresco meals that transport you to the sun-drenched hills of Tuscany. This isn't just a pool, it's a journey to a bygone era, where the beauty of the Mediterranean comes alive in every detail. Welcome to your own slice of paradise. Dive into luxury with a modern backyard pool that's a masterpiece of contemporary design. Picture clean lines, geometric shapes, and the shimmer of sleek materials like concrete, glass, and stainless steel. At the heart of it all, a rectangular swimming pool beckons, its raised spa area and built-in bench seating offering both style and comfort. As the sun sets, watch the magic unfold with underwater LED lighting, casting a mesmerizing glow and transforming your evening swim into an enchanting experience. This isn't just a pool, it's a statement piece, where sophistication meets relaxation in a symphony of modern elegance. Welcome to your aquatic sanctuary.